Oh, sorry. Seafood. So grasshopper capturing technique varies between kind of a slow, quick bear approach. You get close, and then whenever you're close enough that they can't escape, that's whenever you make your move and you grab them. Slow technique. Slow, slow, slow. And then we just pick them up. Move too quick, you scare them off, they're going to jump. We're slow enough, you can make the capture. And now I've got one on each hand. Yeah. We're going to relocate you to a nice place. It's going to be a colony just for grasshoppers. Yep, you're going to love it, all right? There's going to be plenty to do there. There's going to be work. There's going to be housing, food. All your needs will be taken care of for as long as you live. That's right. All of your needs for as long as you live. Let that be a lesson to you, young grasshopper. Never be so distracted about what you think the threat is over here that you wind up exposing yourself to your real enemy, who is lying in wait for you the entire time. He's not even worried. Can I touch your antenna? Can I touch your antenna? Can I just pick you up then? Got a distraction coming from either side here. Left, right, so he doesn't know which way to go. He's backing up, and right there, I've got him. Here we go.